I was a COSTAATT student between 2009 and 2017. My sister started a year before me, and she was encouraging me to do some studies because I was working but not studying. It was just the right choice at the right time to improve myself. From the start in 2009 to when I started to debate on the debate team in 2012, the entire experience was one of nurturing, because I would say that COSTAATT offers something that a lot of tertiary education institutes don't, whereby they have face-to-face interaction with the students, the advisors, being your own lecturers as well. So I learned a lot from all the people within COSTAATT, and I improved myself a lot by building on the skills that I had innate that they brought out. It helped me a lot because I got involved with like the Trinidad and Tobago Film Festival, and the knowledge that I gained while I was a student helped me to be able to do media stuff and public relations for those organizations. It was a starting ground, and I came in with knowledge that I could utilize to help those companies. All the time being outside of COSTAATT now, a lot of films are getting made independently, so students, upcoming students, would want that grassroots knowledge. So my experience in COSTAATT is something that honestly transformed me. The person I was in 2009 to who I am in 2019 is a totally advanced person. COSTAATT just gave me that solid ground to move forward.